this channel again. Today I'm here at the stunning southern coastline of England. It's an absolutely beautiful location, but it was quite windy when I filmed, so unfortunately the original audio isn't very clear, so that's why I'll be speaking like this on the beginning of the video to make sure you can hear properly. And I really apologize for the inconvenience, but I hope you will still enjoy the content I have prepared for you. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video and explore this. Whenever I try to put my GoPro on tripod, and this wind just blow the tripod down in the ground. This wind is giving me a hard time to film me, so I just came behind the bush to get away from this wind. It was supposed to be like the wind will be at normal state, but I don't know, might be due to the coastline over here, seaside. That might be the reason the wind is like quite high today, and like it's giving me a hard time to film this clip. So I'll try my best to click the picture and try to film me as well. Yep. So windy down here today. Look at the sun, look at the hill behind me. Like this will be the perfect time to capture the landscape photography. I've seen a cliff down there which looks like a mountain on the seaside. So I'm planning to take a picture of that one, and the sun is also like the light is also on the hill, so might be it will get the good one. Let's see. So yeah, I've come up over this place, whether you can see that tree or not. Here, so basically I'm trying to take the picture of this end with the sea. So yeah, here. So I'll try to get the angle sorted. Well guys, my camera setup is pretty much ready. For now, I'm just waiting for the light to hit. Looks like it's going to rain today. Not today, now. It was raining this morning. So well, I nearly broke my camera. You can see it just fell off from the tripod. So what I've done is that try to shoot all the handheld shot for today. I don't think so it's good time to film in the tripod, so everything is breaking down, everything is falling down. So let's see. Okay, so light is about to pop off, so and I'll try to capture the just waiting the light to hit that cliff. Come on.
1 hour later.
I think the light is coming now.
1 eternity later.
So well, I captured the shot with the light on the cliff, but I didn't get to manage to film it. And yeah, done over here on this place. So I'll pack my item from here, pack my gear, and I'll try to go down to the beach on the seaside. So here's the picture in the screen for you. Well, I came to the different location now on the seaside, close to the seawater, and you can see sun is setting down. Well guys, bad luck, GoPro battery is down and maybe I'll not be able to film the background shot for the wide angle long exposure shot, but I'll try to put the picture in the screen, and comment below for your thought for the picture. And yeah, I'll wrap up this video and I'll see you on next video. Peace out guys, see you again.